Hello everyone, myself Tejaswini Khiyas. I am from MIT College in the subject ERP Enterprise Resource Planning. I am going to explain the topic. It is JD Edwards Word Solution Company. First, I will tell you the definition of the ERP. ERP it is Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP is the acronym for Enterprise Resource Planning, which provides the infrastructure support for integration management of business and function through various tools and techniques and concept aimed at optimum solution organizational resources. ERP it is having a many resources like quality management, human resource, sales, marketing, accounting, service, supply chain management, and all. Planning that resources in a profitable manner and in efficient manner, it is called as the ERP. Next, JD Edwards Word Solutions Company. JD Edwards, abbreviated JDE, was an enterprise resource planning. It is a software company. JD Edwards is a software company. Products included Word for IBM 400 mini computers, one Word for CNC architecture, and JD Edwards Enterprise One. Successor, it is a Oracle Corporation founded at March 1977 in Denver, Colorado, United States. Headquarters located at Denver, Colorado, United States. Founders of JD Edwards Word Solution Company are Dan Gregory, Jack Thompson, and C. Edward. History. The company name was derived from the initial of its founders' name, J for Jack Thompson and D for Dan Gregory and Edward McWaney. JD Edwards was the very first ERP solution company, and they got their name by building accounting ERP software for IBM International Business Machine mini computers in late 1970s. Today, JD Edwards helping organizations manage every aspect of their business, including financial, sales, inventory, manufacturing, human resources, customer relations, and much more. Version of JD Edwards. Business running a JD Edwards ERP system today fall into a few camps for the most part: JD Edwards and JD Edwards Enterprise One. First, JD Edwards Word. JD Edwards was founded in 1977. The company's first version of the software it is called JD Edwards Word and runs in IBM hardware AS400. The software was initially very accounting focused and was used by mid-sized business. This was a change in the market. Previously, ERP was only for large companies, mostly Fortune 500. With the launch of JD Edwards, smaller mid-sized business could now implement the ERP technology. The most recent version of the Word, A9.4, released in 2015, now included a web-based interface. JD Edwards Enterprise One. The majority of the business today running JD Edwards ERP are using Enterprise One, a web-based ERP. The JD Edwards product team continues to invest in the software enhancement and innovation. Now on the version E1 9.2, features updates are generally available twice a year. Next, JD Edwards and the cloud. Oracle JD Edwards continues to thrive as a product as it made advances in cloud technology. Cloud hosting. Organizations running a JDE have the option to run their solution in the cloud. Cloud application integration options integrating third-party or Oracle cloud applications with JDE. Features of JD Edwards. First, it is a financial management. Financial management is designed to help streamline finance development process and improve the financial reporting accuracy. In financial management, it has to managing of the manufacturing, production, sales and distribution, plant maintenance, quality maintenance, and material management. Accounts receivable, account payable, and general ledger accounting can all the benefits from this flexible and collaborative tool that links seamlessly with all other JD Edwards Enterprise One software solution. Next, project management. We can actively manage projects from start to finish with Enterprise One project management. This model helps to improve the way complex contracts are managed, streamline repetitive billing process for sales, purchasing, and integrate the projects throughout the extended enterprise to increase the financial control and gain better project performance. Next, asset lifecycle management. Asset lifecycle management can drive greater value from your assets, helping with planning, budgeting, procurement, and more. Harnessing the power of Harnessing the power of capital asset management, analysis, and resource assignment, business can keep assets running at maximum availability while having the ability to tie cost and revenue generated to individual key assets. Next, order management. Order management enables order processing to be streamlined and helps business control their order tracking system for the life cycle of the order, including order fulfillment and tracking. Manufacturing management. The manufacturing model can help the business optimize and develop efficient process to achieve superior customer satisfaction. Enterprise-One manufacturing management can assist the complete manufacturing process, including the pricing and delivery. Reporting. JD Edwards Enterprise-One's reporting solution. OneView reporting provides end users with the data that can be easily converted into lists, graphs, tables, charts. It is visible. It is very flexible to accommodate end users' needs throughout your organization. Mobility. Workforce mobility has become a requirement to remain competitive in today's fast-paced business environment. Mobile devices are being used in all aspects of the business, not only as a source of real-time information, but also as a way to improve efficiency and performance. Increasing mobility is transforming industries. Enterprise-One mobile solution deliver personalized solution that can be accessed from anywhere at any time. Next, industries that uses Oracle, JD Edwards ERP, consumer packaged goods, manufacturing, distribution, asset intensive, construction, other project based and service based. Benefits of JD Edwards. JD software is flexible and scalable. A flexible and scalable solution. JD Edwards can grow with your business due to its underlying architecture. Increase profits and productivity. If you are taking advantage of all its features, JD Edwards can reduce operating expenses and boost profitability by increasing employee productivity with features like drag and drop customization for user navigation to help improve business process flows. Regular updates and upgrades. Oracle is continuously evolving JD Edwards to meet a wide variety of business needs to better by responding to the needs of its users with regular updates and upgrades. JD Edwards Enterprises-One stays competitive. Next, mobility. Today, work faces everywhere, and with the need in mind, Oracle has expanded its JD Edwards Enterprises applications portfolio to include more than 85 out-of-the-box mobile applications. Thank you.